Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I really want you to understand that what is right now unfolding in the Bitcoin chart, in the Ethereum chart, in the altcoin charts could be the by far most bullish thing we have seen in years, or it could be basically the beginning of the end. I really want to show you exactly what we have to pay very close attention to right now to determine which of these two scenarios are coming into place, how we can make a lot of money from this right now. So I want to go straight into the content, not only into the charts, but also into my trades right now, which I am having open. Yes, on Bybit, over on Levex also. You can see my trades still open. I put my money where my mouth is, right? Unrealized profits on the Bitcoin trade, $17.5 million in a profit, $13 million already realized. Chainlink, $220,000. Tron, 100,000. Cardano, 180,000. XRP 2.3 million, ENA 75,000, Solana 650,000, Ethereum 300,000. I was mentioning every single one of these trades in the moment I was opening them, of course, over on Twitter. I keep you updated. I also posted it over here on YouTube in my videos. So make sure you are not missing out on my future videos, as I am planning to open new positions very soon, and I want to update you very first about that. Now I want to go into the charts, talk about the price targets, and talk about what we have to pay very close attention to right now. If you want to be the very first, right? I'm posting on Twitter and on YouTube very quickly, but if you want to be the very first to get updated, you need to go down in the pinned comment and you can sign up on Levex and see my trades in absolute real time. Of course, also on Bybit, I have a big bonus for you. On BitUnix, I have a big bonus. So make sure you take advantage of these links down below. Now let's go into the charts. And I wanted to remind you quickly, I was posting yesterday, actually, this Ethereum 4-year chart, and I said moment of truth. It's quite crazy. 820,000 views on that simple post. That was really insane. And now the question is, what has happened since then? Well, first of all, we need to focus as always first on Bitcoin. And as we can see, the last weekly candle was not the nicest one, to be honest, with this big wick on the upside. Right now we are forming almost something like a doji. So this is really decision time. This week is really decision time. And by the books, 118,000 was the first price target, but technically we have one last price target at $149,000 for Bitcoin. This weekly doji candle will be the decision one. It will clearly decide whether it's up or down from here. What you can see, and that is much more interesting right now, is the Ethereum chart. Dear ladies and gentlemen, for the first time in 4 years, Ethereum has here a real chance of breaking the resistance. Look at this. This weekly candle, if we are closing somewhere at these levels or higher, and I can tell you until the end of the week, the price is not going to stay like this. We will see volatility. We will decide whether we are breaking it to the upside, in my opinion, more likely to be honest, or whether we are breaking it to the downside. And this, dear ladies and gentlemen, is an insane chart, because this will decide over altcoin season. Talking about altcoins, yes, my XRP trade, $2.6 million in a profit. We are going straight towards my first price target. I will, before we hit the target, of course, reveal what the next target will be. But first things first, guys, $4.50 on that specific trade. I will talk quickly about Solana also, because yes, Solana broke my W pattern on the weekly as well and is on its potential way. And again, Ethereum has to make sure the altcoin season is continuing. If that happens, $245 for Solana it is. You can see we are at a crucial decision point. It's A or B, top or flop. This is extremely exciting. This is what I've been waiting for a few very boring months. You, dear ladies and gentlemen, let me know what you think about that. Dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like, press subscribe down below, press the bell and press on all. As always, guys, bye.